Creating a presale on PinkSale for Solana-based tokens is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up a presale on PinkSale for Solana. Create a Solana wallet. First, ensure you have a Solana wallet such as Solid, Phantom, or another compatible wallet. Download the wallet and securely store your seed phrase. Connect your wallet. Visit PinkSale.finance using your web browser. Click on the Launchpad option and then select Create Presale. Choose blockchain. Select Solana as your blockchain to create a Solana presale. Fill out presale details. Enter the details for your presale, including token name, the name of your Solana-based token, token symbol, a unique symbol for your token, initial supply, specify the total supply of tokens for presale, liquidity pool, choose a liquidity pair on a decentralized exchange like Radium or Serum, presale start and end date, set the date and time when your presale begins and ends, set presale parameters, determine the presale rate and set the soft cap and hard cap, approve and submit. Once all details are entered, approve and submit the presale creation. Ensure you have enough SOL in your wallet to pay for transaction fees. Finalize setup. After submission, PinkSale will verify your presale details. Upon approval, your presale will be live and users can start purchasing tokens using SOL. Track presale progress. Monitor your presale on PinkSale to ensure everything runs smoothly and liquidity is added once the presale concludes.